everyone. Okay, this is the national team. We have the team captain Nixon, Shireen, and we have Han Jie. Okay, so we are waiting for the results. How do you feel?
Nervous.
Nervous?
Excited.
Excited.
We have tried our best for all our trainings. We have done, I think, better than our training. So we really put in our best. I think ultimately it's a fight for the final.
Okay,
so we leave the judges to decide for us.
Alright, so I understand that there are a few teams who get 2 gold medals, right? I wish you all the best. Good luck to you, guys.
Second place, it goes to the National Culinary Team of Singapore.
Hey Nixon, congratulations again. You won first runner-up. So how do you feel now?
I think we have sigh of relief. Everything is over. We've really tried our best. We have done better than what we had in training. Really, this is the judges' decision, and we fully respect that, and we are thankful for it. For this time round, I think everyone is very cooperative, and everyone actually worked together as a team. It's very special. This is Luxembourg 2018, and I will never forget.
So we will be seeing you again in this Culinary World Cup 4 years later.
We will start training harder. Yes.
Give me char kway teow and chicken rice.
Laksa.
Laksa. Oh yeah.